In this video, I'm going to share my screen and show you step by step how you can add end screen and cards on your YouTube videos. End screen is simply what you see at the end of a video. People will add, if you add an end screen at the end of your video, you will be able to add another video and a subscribe button. And you will tell people to go to the next video. They can simply click and watch it. I'm just going to share my screen so you'll have a better understanding. So take a look at this video. This is at the end of the video when I continue playing the video. You see I said if you want to learn more about this and that, you can watch this next video. It is coming up next. Okay, you see you can watch this next video, and when you click on the video, when you hover over this, you can subscribe to my channel. When you hover over it, you can subscribe to my channel. If you click here, you are going to go to the next video. So this is YouTube end screen, and YouTube card is simply a video that you add in the middle. So anywhere, when you have anywhere in the video, you can, if you mention a different video, for example, I'm talking about adding end screen right now. And I can say if you want to learn more about how to upload a video step by step on YouTube, you can click this video. It will be on this side or this side. You can click on it and you will be able to learn how to upload a video on YouTube. What you just see in the screen, that is what YouTube card is. You can add a card within your video and people can click it to go to another video on your channel. So this is how it works. Now I'm going to show you how to add end screen. When you come to YouTube Studio, this is a video that I previously uploaded, but it is not live yet. So when you finish uploading your video, you can simply come down to the edit page of the video. If you scroll down, you see end screen. When you click on it, a page is going to open. So you see I already have an end screen on this video, but let's say I don't have the end screen. So I can simply delete this end screen. I can simply delete it. So if I don't have an end screen, this is what it is going to look like. And these are some templates we can choose from and start working with them. If you choose, you can choose anyone. If you choose this one, you see there are places for 2 videos. You can add a video and a playlist or 2 different videos on your channel. If you add this one, you will add a video here and a subscribe button here. You can just go through and find the one you like, but I normally use this one. So when you click on it, it will be added. If you click here, you can drag it and change its position and put it anywhere on the screen, but I normally want it up here, so I will leave it. And you can also change the position of this subscribe button. And if you select here a video, if you choose this, it will show the most recent video. If I publish the video today, then when someone watch and they come to this end screen, they are going to see my latest video on the channel. If someone come to watch this video next week, they are going to see my latest video here on the end screen. If you choose best for viewer right here, then YouTube are going to find a video that they believe that specific video is going to find interesting and add it. If you choose a custom video right here, like what I normally do, you are going to find all your videos and you can select from your videos. You see, these are the videos that I have on the channel. I can choose anyone. If you want to add another video from a different channel, you can search for the video here and you can add a video on a different channel on your YouTube end screen. But I simply want to use this video, so I add it and I will click save changes. And because I didn't make any change, that is why you didn't see save changes. But that is how you can add end screen. When you want to add cards, this is where you are going to do that. When we click on it, if you want to add a card, what you just need to do is go to the exact time that you want to add the card. Maybe if I want to add the card at this exact minute, this exact 1 minute 20 seconds, I add my cursor here, then I can come here and click this plus icon. When I click on it, I will be able to choose a video. If I want to add this video, I will click on it and you see the notification right here, building a lead generation. When people click on it, they will be able to go to that video. So this is how you add a card. You see it right here. If we go to another position, we can add another card. You can drag it and change its position You see, you can drag and change the position of the card, and you can select it, or you can come up here and click this delete, and you will remove the card. You can even add a playlist or another channel. If you are monetized, if you monetize your channel, you will be able to add a link, an external link. But if you didn't monetize your channel, you cannot do that. So this is how you can add cards within your video. And you see, this is very helpful. If you, for almost all my videos, I add end screen because it helped me get someone to watch multiple of my videos in one session. I really barely use cards within the video because I don't want a distraction. I don't want people, when they are watching a video and I give them another link to click, it might be distracting. I don't want to do that, but I always use end screen. So this is how you can also do that for yourself. And of course, if you want to learn about all the step-by-step guide with all the steps explained on how to upload a YouTube video, you can watch this next video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.